Here we are. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Strength gets heavy sometimes. And no one really tells you that part, do they? You keep showing up, holding it all together, doing what needs to be done. But there's a point where strong stops feeling powerful and starts feeling like pressure. So today we're talking about what it really means to stay strong without losing yourself in the process. Because real strength doesn't have to hurt. I'm Claudette, certified mental wellness coach, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life heavy seasons. This space is all about rooted strength, practical, real life ways to stay grounded when life feels heavy and to build a strength that lasts. I remember a time when I was holding it all together for my family, my work, my world. And I thought that's what strength looked like, you know? But what it really was exhaustion. I mean, I was beat. But I wouldn't admit it, right? Everyone said, "You're so strong." And I nod and smile. But inside, I was barely holding on. I wasn't rebuilding, I was surviving. And the truth is, the kind of strong doesn't last. It cracks. And when it cracks, it hurts, right? It hurts. Here's what rooted strength really means. It's not about doing more. It's about rooting deeper. 3 things that changed how I see strength. Redefine it. Strength isn't holding everything, it's knowing when to set something down. Did you hear that? Rest before you break. The body and mind there's just limits. It's not failure, it's wisdom. Listen to your body. Rebuild calm. Even 10 quiet minutes, breathing, journaling, stretching, gives your strength a place to land. For me, I started supporting my body differently too. Natural tools that help me help my stress response to reset. Not hype, not caffeine, just real support so I could feel steady again. Balance is a thing, right? You don't have to prove your strength anymore. You already did that by surviving what you did all these years, decades, maybe multiple decades. I can relate. Now it's about building a strength that feels sustainable, not suffocating. Rooted strength doesn't look like pushing harder. It looks like breathing deeper. Did you hear that? Breathing deeper. It's that calm kind, the steady kind, the kind that carries you through the next season without burning you out. How's that sound? Does that sound better? This is for anyone who's been strong for too long. If you've been carrying the weight for everyone else and you're just now realizing it's really heavy, I see you. You're not broken. You're just human. We're learning together that strength doesn't have to be hard. It can be rooted, grounded, and calm. That can be strength too, and it is. If this hits home for you today, drop the word rooted below, and I'll send you my step into balance guide. It's a calm, practical way to help your body your body's stress, and rebuild strength without the overwhelm. So just down below, right rooted, and I'll connect with you. Again, I'm Claudette, and just happy to have you here, and I look forward to connecting and sharing more. If you're watching a replay, just hashtag replay. Any questions, any comments, or you have something to share, please drop it below, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Again, have an amazing day.